Welcome to First Principles, Chapter 1 of the Mated Compendium. These are 6 habits that decide more games than any memorized opening ever will. Master them, and you simply stop losing in the first 10 moves. Let's go. Forget memorizing openings. Every opening ever played comes down to the same 3 jobs. 1. Get your knights and bishops off the back row. 2. Castle your king to safety. 3. Connect your rooks. That's it. That's the whole assignment. Watch both sides do the jobs perfectly. Pawns claim the middle. Knights come out. Bishops find open roads. And both kings tuck safely into the corner. 10 moves, nothing fancy. And both players are completely ready for the fight. Finish these 3 jobs before you go hunting for tricks. Job 1 starts with the pawns, but only 2 of them matter. The center of the board is the high ground, and your king's pawn and queen's pawn are the ones that take it. Push them first. They grab space in the middle and fling open the doors for your bishops and your queen. The pawns out on the edges, leave them at home. Every edge pawn move this early is a wasted turn. Here's the secret nobody tells beginners. You don't need to see 20 moves ahead. You need 1 scan before every single move. What are the checks, the captures, and the threats, theirs and yours? Watch the scan pay off. A check. The king is forced to move, he has no say in it. And now the very same knight scoops up a free bishop on the other side. Forcing moves first, always. This one habit removes half your blunders and wins you everything your opponent leaves unguarded. Tunnel vision is how pieces get lost. You're staring at your own plan, and you miss what just changed. So before every move, 1 question. What did their last move threaten, and what's standing around undefended? Here, black has left a knight alone in the middle of the board. Count its defenders, 0. So we simply take it, an entire piece, for free. Ask that 1 question every move and you stop donating pieces and start collecting the ones your opponent forgets. One of the oldest sayings in chess and one of the most broken rules. To take is a mistake. Don't capture just because a capture is sitting there. Watch this pawn grab. It looks completely harmless. But see what it does. Black's worst piece, that bishop buried behind its own pawns, suddenly springs onto a beautiful open diagonal. The capture didn't help the person who played it. It rescued the opponent. Before you take anything, ask 1 thing. Who actually profits from this trade? Last principle, the sneakiest way to lose time without noticing. The bishop charges out to its most aggressive square. Looks great, right? But watch white's pawns. 1 quiet nudge prepares the big central push. And suddenly, that proud bishop is getting shoved around the board. Check, block. And every one of those bishop moves was a turn not spent developing something new. When their pawns can chase your bishop like this, place it 1 square more modestly. Quieter, but faster. That's Chapter 1. Every lesson you just watched, lives free at mated.gg. With boards you can step through at your own pace, and every line ready to play against the coach. When you're ready, Chapter 2 is waiting, punishing early attacks. See you there.